Across the HirePOS software, a sales record or transaction record can be in one of many modes. These are estimate, quote, reservation, booking, invoice, contract, sales order, or credit note. Of these, the most commonly used are quote, booking, and invoice. These three modes describe the basic hire procedure that HirePOS is built around. Different modes have different behaviours across the software and will display with their own colour, which you can customise to suit your workflow. Quote is the first stage of the hire process, whereby basic customer information, estimated dates, and items are assembled on the sales screen to calculate a quoted price for the client and generate quote paperwork. In quote mode, the items quoted are not reserved for the customer and will remain available in the availability screen and throughout the software. This allows you to quote them for other customers and reserve them only on a first to confirm basis. Booking is the next logical step. When in booking mode, HirePOS assumes that the hire has been confirmed and marks the booked items as unavailable. If delivery and pickup are enabled for the booking, it will be visible on the delivery pickup schedule at its booked time and date. Invoice is the final logical step in the process. HirePOS automatically converts records to invoice when they are delivered or dispatched, and the terms set out in the invoice or customer take effect. Payments can be received against any mode. However, invoice is the mode that makes HirePOS aware the balance is officially payable and will allow you to include it in batch sending, statements, and give you the ability to chase the balance using the Payments Outstanding and Overdue Reminders page. At this point, it is worth noting that HirePOS will show invoices with various other status names throughout the software, depending on the exact situation of the invoice. For example, when the hire is assigned a hired from date, is dispatched, or marked delivered via the delivery pickup schedule, HirePOS will show its status as on hire in most other areas of the software. When a hire is subsequently assigned a hired to date, is returned, or marked as picked up via the delivery pickup schedule, HirePOS will show its status as returned in some areas of the software. In between the quote, booking, and invoice modes, there are also estimate and reservation. Estimate acts as a super light version of a quote. The word estimate on the paperwork denotes that the price is not firm. No gear is reserved, and you can optionally elect not to see estimates in various parts of the software. Reservation is an intermediate stage between quote and booking. It is not a confirmed booking and is not yet ready to go out on hire. However, the items are reserved in the availability screen, preventing items from being quoted or booked out to someone else for the date range. There are three additional, less commonly used modes: contract, sales order, and credit note, which have special purposes and will be covered in another tutorial. For more information relating to the sales screen, sales status, availability and double bookings, receiving payments, or changing theme colours across the software, please see the related tutorials or visit the Help Centre in the HirePOS app.